In this video, we'll go from this to this using this, and then I'll tell you what the heck it is. Alright, so this broke off, and after ordering a new kit, after ordering a new kit, I kind of thought, well, some people may not even know what this thing is. The replacement is super easy, which is pretty obvious, right? So, pop this off. There's a bee behind me, apparently. Is there a bee behind me? Pop that off. Okay, just take the new one, pop it in there, and look at that. Oh, there's a bee. Just pop that in there. So what does that do? It will clean out underneath here for you. So basically, you put the connector on a water hose. Bless you. Put the connector on a water hose. Start the lawnmower up, drop it, and run the water.
Water?
And let it clean it out. So, let's do that real quick. Okay, so we're going to connect it.
The water?
The water, yeah.
Go. Go.
There. Just put that on. It holds on. And we got to fire the lawnmower up and run it for a couple of minutes.
Mommy. What is that?
Drop it down. Then the magic happens. Then you shut the water off and disconnect it. Just like so. And now it should be nice and clean up underneath there. Just like so. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the rest of the mower. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. By the way, I kind of like these hoses. I'll put a link to that down there in the description, as well as the kit. And by the way, if your mower doesn't have one of these, obviously you can just drill a couple of holes in there and add one to it, which I highly recommend. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.